guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a very special tandoori chicken. How can you do it at home without oven? So I am doing it today in pan. Hope you guys like it. I will add all the spices with chicken one by one. Names are on the below. You also can see on description box if you like. I will give a good massage on the chicken with the spices and will set for 2 hours in refrigerator so that it can be set. I took 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. I add garlic with that butter. We need a pan like this. I am brushing on the pan. This tandoori pan, it will become good. I am cooking on medium-low heat for 4 to 6 minutes every side so that it can be properly cooked. I will cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, you can see it's releasing water from inside the chicken. I'm changing side and we'll cook that side also 4 to 5 minutes in covering. It's looking very tasty and delicious. I will brush each side with butter and garlic mix so that it can be flavored, buttery and garlic flavored. It will cook slowly, so don't be hurry. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Your subscription is really meant to us. I will show you after plating. Hope you like it, and obviously I will hope that you will also try at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe us and leave comment if you like it or not. Have a great day.